College ayambada tongan tonba subjects in honors course hangna bathorang tauri haina Directorate of University and Higher Education gi Director L Radhakantana phongdokre. Wafam asing asi sawungpungda laiba Biramangol College ta pangtokpa NEP 2020 Prospects, Challenges and Way Forward haiba thingda pangtokpa nomugi oiba workshop ama hodopigi tharamda mahana phongdokibani. Biramangol College ki IQAC amati Research and Development Committee na sintna pangtokpa workshop hodopigi tharamada Chief Guest ki warul piruna Dr. L Radhakantan hai ngasi college asina NEP ki matangda khanariba ase yamna afaba khongthang amane masina anoba education policy ase karamna mai pakna chanahanggani haibagi matangda ningthina nainabagi khudongchawa ama pide Chahi ahumgi undergraduate course oirambadagi chahi marigi undergraduate course oirapa sida khudongchadaba kaya thingnari hojik ojawatbagi awaba kaya mayoknari maragasida college ayambada honors course sing hangnabasu hotnari haina mahana makhataki ngasigi thauram aduda Horizons for Sustainable Development in Manipur haina mingthonba larik ama Directorate of University and Higher Education gi Director L Radhakantana phongdokhi Thauramada College Sige Principal Dr. O Premila MUG Research and Development Cell Director Professor C.H. Ibohal, DM University Department of Statistics K Professor N. Sadat Amati, MUG Department of English and Cultural Studies K Head Professor I. Gambirna, Mathang Sitna President Amati Guest of Honor Oina Sarugyaki.
College soidamaki handaki ati goki manungdagi asigi dom joyba transfer ama soidamaki thola dom joyba space da adubu tanga tadana koina college kana simply basta to mata kare sa le tuma yawi adugi maya sa sanna ga basta ki thap semaga maduni matulina coordination committee ga tamaganda movement se kaman ka badagi aiba even Muzasing sina dari lumba lain singsi atau boleh sama dari tapu mana boleh insentif di mana lagi not only my college dan letak sebagai mana atau boleh sama dari satu mata pelajaran mana lain tapu mana tapu mana lagi insentif di mana lagi